From north to south, exploring Vietnam's diverse food culture by region. Vietnam is home to one of the most diverse and delicious food cultures in the world. From the bustling streets of Hanoi in the north to the tropical beaches of Nha Trang in the south, each region boasts its own unique flavors and culinary traditions. Vietnamese cuisine is a perfect blend of influences from neighboring countries, including China and Thailand, as well as the country's own unique history and geography. In this post, we'll take you on a culinary journey through Vietnam, exploring the unique food cultures of each region. From Hanoi's famous pho to the fresh seafood of Nha Trang, you'll discover the flavors that make Vietnam's food scene so diverse and delicious. Get ready to have your taste buds tantalized as we dive into the amazing world of Vietnamese cuisine. Popular dishes and drinks to try in each region. Vietnam is a country with a rich food culture that varies from region to region. Each region has its own unique flavors and ingredients that are used to prepare traditional dishes. If you are planning to travel to Vietnam and want to experience the country's diverse food culture, here are some popular dishes and drinks to try in each region. 1. North Vietnam. Pho is a must-try dish in the north. This hearty noodle soup is made with beef or chicken broth, rice noodles, and meat or seafood. Another popular dish is bun cha, which is grilled pork served with rice noodles and fresh herbs. Egg coffee is a unique drink to try in Hanoi, made with egg yolks, sugar, condensed milk, and coffee. 2. Central Vietnam. The central region is known for its spicy and flavorful cuisine. One of the most popular dishes is bun bu hieu, a spicy beef noodle soup. Khao lao is another famous dish, made with noodles, pork, and greens. When it comes to drinks, try the local coffee, which is strong and served with condensed milk. 3. South Vietnam. The food in the south is influenced by neighboring countries like Cambodia and Thailand. Some popular dishes include banh mi, a Vietnamese sandwich filled with meat, pickled vegetables, and herbs. Pho is also popular in the south, but with a sweeter broth. For drinks, try sugarcane juice or iced coffee with coconut milk. No matter which region you visit in Vietnam, there are endless options to explore and taste. Don't be afraid to try something new and unfamiliar. You might just discover your new favorite dish.